Good morning, business owners. This is Marvel and Brown with Making It Remotely, and today we're going to look at fonts. We're going to actually look at fonts and how you can use them when you're creating designs for your print-on-demand business. Now, I'm logged into my Printify account, but I just want to give you a couple of ideas that you might want to think about. So the thing that kind of made me decided to do this video was I was working on one of my blog posts, and this is a blog post about fonts, and I will put a link to this below this video if you're interested. But there are a lot of different fonts that are available that people are not necessarily aware of. So I wanted to make my viewers aware of the fact that you can go out to places like Envato Marketplace. You can go to Creative Marketplace, Creative Fabrica, and I think there are a lot of people that use Creative Fabrica. I don't know how to actually pronounce that. It's either Fabrica or Fabrica, but you know what I'm talking about. And I'll put links to those below this video as well. But the thing that I want you to know is that these fonts can be used as designs. There's some really creative and different looking fonts. So we have this font called Masto, and this is a really great looking font. I'm gonna try to find a larger picture. Okay, so look at this. This is something that you could put on a t-shirt. You could put it on a bag. You could use it as a font that really brings out the design element, right? So if you have a basic word, maybe there are, buzzwords that you might want to use in your designs. There may be personalizations. So this font would look good if you were making maybe a personalized mug and you were putting someone's name on it. This would be a great font for that. Now, I've also highlighted some additional fonts that are, in my opinion, really nice looking fonts that you could use to add different effects to your designs. So I will put a link to this this article, and you can take a look at these fonts. I've kind of handpicked these, but I think these are great designs. And this is the thing about fonts. So when you use these fonts, they are really going to add a lot of personality to whatever it is that you're working on. You can also use these fonts. Now look at this. So this is a plate, and they've taken this font. It's called, I believe this font is Lovingly Flourish, I believe. This is it right here. So this is not an actual writing font. It's an actual image font. So you're going to get these little hearts, these little heart designs with the flourishes that really make any project, if you're using these for, for example, for a baby shower, weddings, anything related to, hearts, love, all that wonderful stuff, you can actually use this in a number of different ways. And see how great that looks on the side of that mug? To me, this is a really great way to use some of these image fonts. So I talk about in this article some of the different ways that you want to use fonts, because you can use your decorative fonts as like headings, or for the reasons we just talked about, personalization. You can use decorative fonts in your, let's say you're making a social media post about a specific topic, and you want to use a decorative font to kind of highlight the mood of that particular piece of content. You can use script fonts, and then again, image fonts. So when you go out to places like Creative Fabrica, Envato Marketplace, and the Creative Market, you are going to be able to find fonts that are like this. You can download them, use them in your projects. And the thing that I want you to remember is don't forget about using them on your print-on-demand products. So you can use them on, say for instance, if you have an image font that you want to use, you can use them on wall hangings or posters. You can use them on the side of mugs, just like we saw in the example on my blog post. So let me just show you that mug right there. And you can combine things like images and text to really have something unique. And that's the name of the game. You want to make sure that you're using things that are unique. And when you combine things together and make them truly yours, then that is going to make you stand out from the crowd. Now, the other thing about Creative Market, the Creative Market, as well as Envato Marketplace, they give you free files every month. So you can join their membership, or you can get on their mailing list, and they will send you free resources that you can use in your creative projects. So for example, in the Envato Marketplace, you can, these are the creative elements that they have provided for this month. So you get 12 hand-selected files, including fonts, presentations, videos, and more. And you can also sign up and get unlimited downloads. There's a monthly fee, but you can join their membership and get these creative elements. You can have access to stock video, video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, presentation templates, photos, fonts, add-ons, web templates, and more. So I will definitely link to this below this video, and you can check that out. And then also, if you check out this article on fonts, I have links to the Creative Market and Creative Fabrica. So you can check all of this stuff out. And this is something that I wanted to make sure that you were aware of, because this is how you can create, elements that are unique, and your content and all the things that you're doing online to draw attention to your business and create a brand that is totally yours. And that is really what you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Again, you want to pay attention to the fonts maybe that I've picked out, or you can go out and pick out some of the fonts that really speak to your unique brand. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.